So here's how to combine two videos into one in CapCut. First, you want to open the CapCut application, and then you want to import your videos. So for example, these two videos, I'm going to import the first one and the second one. Now, as you can see, there are two separate videos, and I'm going to show you how to combine them into one. So first, we want to select the first clip or the first video, and then we want to press and hold down the control key and click on the second video, and then bring the mouse cursor between those videos, and then right click with the mouse, and then click on create compound clip. And now, as you can see, the two videos have been merged into one video or clip, and then we can move it as a whole video and edit it as a single video like this. And you can also use the hotkey. So for example, if you right click, you should see the hotkey for create compound clip is Alt plus G. So you can have both the videos selected and then press Alt plus G to combine them into one. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.